From June 2, 2025, migrants in the UK will no longer be able to prove their immigration status with physical documents, such as BRP or BRC cards, visa stickers, legacy papers, or with no time limit status. So, in this video, we will guide you on how to prove your immigration status, or right to work and rent with an eVisa from June 2, 2025. As you know, the UK border and immigration system has become digital. This means that physical documents, such as biometric residence permits and vignette visa stickers, have been replaced by eVisa. An eVisa is an online record of your immigration status. If you need to prove your immigration status to employers, landlords and other organizations or individuals, then this video is for you. Once you have an eVisa, you can use the View and Prove Your Immigration Status and get a share code service, also known as the View and Prove service. With the View and Prove service, you can view your eVisa online at any time, check what you can do in the UK, get a share code so you can securely share your immigration status with employers, landlords and other organizations. You can only use the View and Prove service if you have a UK Visas and Immigration account, also known as a UKVI account. You will have been sent an email or letter telling you about your UK Visas and Immigration account if you created it as part of your application, or have been asked to create one separately. To get started, you will need details of the identity document you use to sign into your UKVI account, such as your passport, national identity card, or biometric residence permit, your date of birth and the mobile number or email address you use to access your account. To use the View and Prove service, go to gov.uk/view-prove-immigration-status and sign in using your UKVI account details. Once you have signed in, you will be able to view your eVisa to check what rights you have in the UK. To share your immigration status, select Get a Share Code on the eVisa page. It is important you choose the right option. For example, selecting To Prove My Right to Work will share information only on your right to work in the UK, and the share code generated cannot be used to prove your status for any other reason, for example, your right to rent, study or access benefits. Your three options are: to prove your right to work, to prove your right to rent in England, to prove your immigration status for anything else. When you provide a share code to an organization to check your status, they will only see the information related to the share code and they won't have access to your account. Once you have picked the reason for sharing, and you have selected Continue, you will be taken to a page which shows you what the person checking your status will see. Then select Create a Share Code and it's ready for sharing. You can make a note of the share code or email it to yourself or someone else. There are no limits on how many times you can request a share code. You may want to consider getting your share code in advance to avoid situations where you have limited access to your device or network. For your privacy and security, the share code will expire after 90 days, and you will need to get a new one. You do not need to prove your status again every 90 days. The person checking your immigration status can then use the Check Someone's Immigration Status online service to check your immigration status by entering your date of birth and share code. Some government bodies such as the National Health Service or the Department for Work and Pensions will usually be able to confirm your status automatically. In these cases, you will not be asked to share your status. Your eVisa will be linked to your passport or travel documents, so when you travel, transport service providers, and border force will be able to check your immigration status automatically. This means it is important to keep your current passport, travel documents, and your contact details updated in your UKVI account. If you don't know how to apply for eVisa, or travel with eVisa, or face difficulties while creating eVisa account, I would suggest you to visit our channel and watch these videos. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get timely notification of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.